What, from where comes a person is mad on Hashem, mad on Hashem. Why? Why should you did it to me? Why you did it to me? Everything is you, and you're doing to me. All of the soul, you angry on Hashem. The Rebbe is last on the Kutan Chelik, Aleph Siman Lamed Vav. Hashem gives only for you the paint and the garment and the brushes. Now you be the painter. The Medrash said, "Vayitzer o Odom." Vayitzer avayad kimus o Odom adomo. Hashem created the mankind. So Chazal said, why Vayitzer? Vayitzer is Loshen Tzayin. What's a Tzayin? A painter. Hashem gives a person, here, I give you the paint, I give you the garment, the brushes, now you paint a beautiful picture. Now, we see, and a picture from we go in a art gallery. See, all kind of pictures are display of pictures. When a person is a right thinker, smart person, he could tell you on each painting what the guy is. They have graphology. I could see on you.
Graphology.
But this is only a dimion, you know what a dimion is? Illusion. Like this alarm, the rest of this alarm. But the picture is, you could see the whole person, how. When you see a picture that the sun is shining, flowers, or the moon is smiling, or kids are dancing, people are dancing, this person is a happy person. He painting, but he stays happy. Always is positive. Happy. He's a happy person. It's the opposite. When you see houses falling in, clouds, and people are killing each other. This person's a miserable person. You could see whatever painting. They call it modern art. Paint. This guy, something is missing. They call it modern art, but you see. You don't see what this is. It's a beautiful thing. It's written. Look, I see. I'll take to make a kuchkin. 2-year baby to do it. Comes in the kindergarten, take a piece of paper and get a crayon, and that's all. The guy has cycled in that too. He said, "Mommy, look, that's a nice picture." Mama said, "Yes, a nice picture." I said, "Study all 2 years, 3 years." But for adult, it should be with a karachat, that's a karachat. He should be bold, and glasses like this, and a professor, and he. You don't know what this is. This is modern art. Go. So I see you have sense like I eat it for 2-3 years. You're laughing, but it's, people are paying for this a lot of money. You know, you look at the picture, I want to figure out what did this guy make. Tell me. Beautiful painters. But this shows how a person is mixed up. So, Vayitzer avayad kimus Odom. Hashem created everybody should be a painter. Life has you created. This is life. If a person is strong in emunah, strong faith in Hashem, I'm giving myself over complete to you. I'm not afraid for nobody. I'm not afraid of death. Me, nobody would break. I sin, forgive me. I didn't want to sin. It is fixed Hashem. And he says, I didn't want to sin. What you do? I don't have a wife. What you do? So forgive me. I will stay by the tefillin. I will stay by the tzitzis. I will stay by Shabbos. Nothing will break me. This person will be eventually will succeed. Avraham Avinu, says the Chazal, he had 10 bad tests. Test of them, such a test. But he should only one get test, one test will get crazy. Avraham Avinu had 10 tests for sorrow. Nisyonos, Nisnas Avraham Avinu, Vadia, Kibasa Shalom Shalom Bekulam. He was, Avraham Avinu was the first person. He recognized the Ta'ah Hashem, and even he had so much testing, and a teacher for everybody, nobody should give up hope. Now, when a person is strong, regardless what you know, you will be in Gehenna. You will never be in Gan Eden. So I don't need you, Gehenna, I don't need you, Gan Eden. I love only Hashem, and I will do only what Hashem wants. He's not looking for nothing. I don't want star or Einish Klum. I want only to do the Rotz of Hashem. Why? Because I like Hashem. So comes the Yitzhak and says, how could you like Hashem? He's bad to you. Hashem is not bad to you. I'm bad for myself. I'm ranking myself. People are speaking bad of me. People are destroying me. People are doing to me the worst thing. So I have to pick up the hand, I'm laying in bed. No, the person is strong. And he has no use. He's so strong himself. Such a person, not he will be strong for himself, such a person will strengthen hundreds and thousands and 100,000 people. Why? When a person is strong in faith, he will help others. Therefore, here comes in the Kudah of blessing of sinners, that the Rebbe teaches us, never give up hope. There's no such a thing. But I'm sinning. I'm falling down. So I wouldn't let go Hashem. I'm going back to Hashem. So the Rebbe teaches us the things that we will have only when Mashiach will come. Every human being, every mankind in the world, even going, will speak to Hashem in their own language. This is such a great matone, no? Gift. Mashiach will bring it in the world, this gift. A person should speak to Hashem. What means speak to Hashem? Why is a person not speaking to Hashem? You see, people could speak to each other 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, a half hour, an hour, 2 hours, 5 hours. You see, you speak with him, you go for a walk with him, you go in the park with him, and then you go in a restaurant with him. You speak and speak. What is speaking? All kinds of stupidity. My car, by such a car, by a house, by everything. My muffler is broken, everything, my house, you could speak hours and hours and hours. Why it comes to speak to Hashem in one sentence, states, Boy Nishloilo, Yaboka, Boy Nishloilo, Manita Sheda, Boy Nishloilo, I want to get married. You married? I have no children, Boy Nishloilo, we're married already. Half a year, 2 years, I want children. You have children, Boy Nishloilo, I want to have nachas and children. Boy Nishloilo, I need parnose. I owe people money. Please give me the money. Why it takes so long to say it? One sentence, Hashem, you wouldn't say it. But it's said, it's angry on Hashem. Ask Hashem, why a child? If you have children, you see, you're waiting so much that the child even start to say the words. Tata, 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 tata. You're so happy. The child says, Daddy, 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 Mommy, Mommy, son. Why is a person say it for Hashem? Tati, Tati, help me. Daddy, help me. You created me. Help me. I need money. Whatever you know. Why a person wouldn't speak?